You want one of these?
Under here?
Very cool. Oh, you got one. Dad, you want one?
What?
Very cool.
Oh, you're all making one at the same time.
Ow! Oh. Wait, that board's wet. Probably put my gold out. Wait, no birch bark under it. Go ahead. Wait, are we all gonna start at the same time?
Hold on.
Everybody ready?
Nope.
My top is gonna stick too much, I think.
I think you'll be fine.
What's the hold up there, Jay?
Okay, well, I wasn't situated.
Oh, work.
Okay, here we go.
Just because somebody gets one, don't stop.
Should I keep going?
I think.
Oh, yeah, you got one. Oh, my foot cramp. Oh.
Oh, I'm right through to the birch bark. It's better if they're bigger around, because it makes more sawdust. This one, look at that, Jay. Look at my hole here. Yeah. The wedge isn't even there.
You got one over there?
Yep.
Nice.
Look how light this color is.
Yeah.
Yeah, look
I
how,
think
well, look how
this
dark
one's
this
pretty
one
dark
is.
over here.
This is
too.
like sapwood. I'm going to throw this away. I'm going to burn it. I think it's sapwood.
Nick, you got your own bird's nest, or are you going to put it in the community bird nest? This is the community bird nest. Perfectly wound, like some bird put in there. There's a little usnea. We are using a little cedar, but there was some usnea in there. Some birch bark on the bottom.
Get all the smoking coals.
And then coal there. Coal there. Coal there. And then Jay, what do you got here? What's this thing?
This is the
This is you.
don't burn your hands.
This is don't burn your hands. Alright, light that one up. We gotta see this one.
Okay.
This is don't burn your hands bird nest with, it's not a bird nest, but with birch bark wrapper.
Get on. You want to light the fire with this one here too?
Yeah, you can light the fire with that one. Alright, is the birch bark catch right up there or what? How's that work?
And the birch bark catches on like a match, and you can just kind of
You just stick it right in there.
just throw the whole bundle in there.
With a little stick, you just put a split in the end of the stick to hold the stuff together.
Yeah, I guess you don't need to do that part.
I don't think so. Now we get to burn up the bird's nest here, Nick. You gonna do that?
Yep.
You want me to do it?
You can do it. You can both
Well,
hold.
you gotta
I'll take
get
the
your-
camera if you want.
Let me get.
I'll dump my coal in there, but you gotta pick yours up.
I really don't need 2 coals in there. Well, let's put them all in. Right here. Shove that. Right. Put the birch bark. Night.
Worked pretty well.
Sure, I think so.
A bird's nest. It's a real bird's nest.
Real bird nest. Clay in it.
Clay bottom.
Chicken eggs still in it with some
Yeah,
scrambled
bird's eggs, roasted eggs for breakfast.
Are you still just burning the nest? I mean the birch, the cedar, or are you actually
I
starting
think
to
the
burn
nest is now on fire.
Can't be worse than taking the cover off a Dutch oven with oil in it, right?
That's right.
Looks like a good way to like transport fire.
Smells like a forest fire. Let's just see how it burns. We'll just sit over here off the side.
Just let that go. I kind of want to get some more hardwood on there.
We can tilt it to the side a little more so it burns.
Oh, and for shredding birch bark, you just put the bark in the driveway. I've moved it now, but and you just drive over it for about 6 months. Cedar bark? Oh yeah, sorry, cedar bark. You drive over it about 6 months. It does a nice job. Low battery. Blueberry buckle, is that what we're gonna make?
Blueberry buckle.
Alright, blueberry buckle. Before it gets dark.